Hi all, this is Bando Picks. I am going over some Parker Jotter pins. These were recommended to me by the Shackleman. So let's get into them. This is the regular Parker Jotter with it's got like a plastic body and a metal top. So we'll open that up as nicely as we can. How do you open it nicely? Maybe if I put a little slice in there. Yeah, there. So there's the pen. There's the Parker pen. Currently has blue ink in it right now, but I have these refills for black ink. All right, so that is the standard Parker Jotter right there. Metal and black plastic. Looks really nice. Pretty excited about this already. And then last but not least, got the all metal Parker Jotter. Yes, it's in blue ink, but I got the refills to fix it. So, why did I get these? Let's get a key out here. Let me show you. So here is an asp key. Let's use this one for now. Put this through here, and you can use your keys on this. So you can use your key to get in there. If you're already cuffed up, let's see if I can cuff myself up here. So you can use your key to get in, like so. There we go. And so that'll help you get out of handcuffs. All right. All, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.